Okay? This will be your clouds. Then what you'll do is, you'll paint again sideways. Me first. Okay, so I'll do it one stroke only. Okay. Like that. In water. Lagyan natin ng konting water yung blue natin. And waiting.